For years, dedicated volunteers have worked tirelessly on rebuilding the trail to Base Torres without compromising the experience for our visitors. Now, you can be part of this incredible transformation. Be part of the reconstruction of the most iconic trail in Torres del Paine National Park. We welcome volunteers from North America to bring their energy and commitment. This is your chance to live an unforgettable experience. We invite you to join this exclusive team as one of the 10 volunteers for our most significant campaign and initiative. Together, as volunturists, we can preserve and enhance these trails, helping to conserve this paradise. Join this unique experience, shared by people from around the world, and leave a positive impact that will resonate and benefit our planet. Your adventure begins here.